This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make beet juice in a juicer. First, choose fresh, firm beets with a deep, vibrant color. Next, wash them thoroughly under cold, running water to remove any soil. You can use a vegetable brush for this. Then, trim off the leafy greens and the small root end. If your beets are large, cut them into smaller pieces, about 1 to 2 inches, to fit your juicer's chute. This preparation ensures a smooth juicing process. Now that your beets are prepped, it's time to juice. Turn on your juicer and begin feeding the beet pieces into the chute one by one. Push them down gently with the tamper. If you're adding other ingredients, like an apple or a few carrots, alternate them with the beets. This can help prevent clogging and create a more balanced flavor. Watch as the vibrant red juice flows into your collection container. It's so satisfying to see. For the best beet juice experience, here are a few tips. To enhance the flavor, try adding a small piece of fresh ginger or a lemon wedge to your juicer along with the beets. If the beet juice is too intense for your taste, you can dilute it with a 1/4 cup of water or a splash of apple juice. Remember to clean your juicer right after you finish to prevent any stubborn beet stains and keep it in top condition. Your delicious, fresh beet juice is now ready to enjoy. For the most nutritional benefits, it's best to drink it right away. If you have any leftover juice, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 24 hours. Give it a quick stir before drinking. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy juicing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.